Much trizzy, dizzy.
Don't even bother with that. I haven't gotten any further. I've been in a not pleased with Japan mood for the past couple days.
You were on vacation.
And that's when it brings the worst out of me. Because I'm used to work bullshit, but now I gotta deal with real live Japs. And they are just awful.
Oh, you finished?
No, I dropped it. That's how out there I was. Alright. Wait, you're back? No, you're not back to work. Not till
more week.
October 31st.
So we're back from Shirahama, y'all.
Shirahama. Dude, I fucking got sick from, I think, some bad water.
Since when?
The typhoon. And, we went to some restaurant. Everyone was closed.
This is the same day?
Yeah.
Wait, are we talking Tuesday?
Whenever the typhoon happened. And Japanese people are like, we'll use any excuse to get off of work. It seems like it's just a little rain. No.
Yeah, like on Wednesday, I was just taking a little ride on my bike. It's like, shit, everything's closed.
Yeah. So we went
I need
to
my drink. I was like, I just need some alcohol, please.
We went to some. In the Shotenga, there's those big izakayas way down by where she lives.
Okay.
And like that was the only place open. I'm like, okay. Order some water, because...
I pre-watched. I got some notes.
Thank you, sir. Nandate. Okay.
Keep going.
So then we get water in like a... What is it? Highball glass? I was like, that's kind of funny.
No?
But it tasted funky. It was like not cold. I was like, what the fuck's going on? So then I'm like, another round of waters, please. And then she's like, okay. Goes like back over here and pours some in. And then goes in the kitchen. I'm like, what the fuck is she doing? And we were like...
With the water.
Yeah, she was like holding the water. And then he told me, he's like, did she just go in the kitchen? Like, and then it comes out. And then like after that, I was just having diarrhea like all day. At first I thought it was curry. Because sometimes that upsets my stomach.
Yeah, curry will make you poopy.
But that's a doctor's way of putting it. Well, curry will make you poopy. But then I was like, nah, it's got to be the water. Maybe they're just getting fresh outside. I don't know. And then today I was okay.
So that lasted just 1 day or 2 days?
No, like 3 days.
Oh,
it was like all day, every day. Just nonstop little diarrheas. And painful.
Spicy. Hot.
The first day was hot and spicy. Where you're trying to wipe and you just smush it on, like you don't even wipe, you just touch and you're like, please, I can't take the pain of doing this. And he told me his fucking bidet doesn't work.
What?
I was like, what the fuck?
That nice house and you didn't know working bidet.
She's like, I don't have a need for it. I'm like, what the fuck?
Does she not poop?
I don't know.
How does she?
I've never seen her poop. Maybe she doesn't poop. All the alcohol just turns into water. Or piss, I mean.
What does she do? What I do since just used a shower head? Like.
Yeah, good. Remember, wow.
I was trying to remember where the fuck we left off. So where the fuck did we leave off?
I don't remember this shit at all.
So apparently his dad used to be a cop and he got murdered 25 years ago. And
wait, did that happen while we were playing?
No, when I was...
You looked ahead.
Just reading it because it was in English so I could see like, oh, that's what this is about.
I couldn't tell if this red things just said Chris.
Well, first I had to cross this out because he was just doing side missions. I was like, that's a fucking side mission.
Yeah, they don't... Hold on. Can I look something up real quick?
Go ahead.
I need to get us into the game. I gotta get some funny out. Japan train manners. This is gonna be real quick, and then we can start with the written too. We're gonna compare Squinty Eye Shogo with some guy I found today, George. He just looks goofy as hell. He looks like a Bleach character. Look at his fucking, what is that called? Cheeks?
Yeah, it's like Chad mixed with one of those
Like,
card
but no, it looks
thingies.
like who's the blonde hair guy? Was that Geen? I forget.
The one that can
Like-
put the mask on. Or no. You mean the
He has, like-
squinty eye. Wait, what are you talking
I
about?
don't know. He
What
looks
are you
like
talking about,
like
Bruce?
Bleach. Okay, this is gonna be.
Okay.
We're gonna compare and contrast the most important train taboos in Japan versus don't do this on a Japanese train
Okay, this is different.
from the Bleach guy. Okay, let me crank the volume
How
up.
do you have it set up so it's like full?
I don't know. YouTube.
Train taboos Japanese hate the most.
Japanese hate.
Because of its collectivist society.
Wrong.
We were looking for that word a long time last time.
It has many manners and rules for everything.
Look at his face.
Individual society doesn't have rules. America has many rules. From table manners to how we take a bath.
To how to take a bath at the onsen. Manners on trains are one of them. And among the various rules, these are the top 3 things the Japanese people.
This is hilarious, all 3 of these fuckers.
Number 3, getting on and off the train.
Oh.
You should avoid standing near the doors if you're not getting off at the next stop. If the train
Do Japanese people know that?
Sir, can you please move?
Station, you should once get off to make space for those who actually want to get off. Also, to avoid chaos, you must let people get off the train first before getting on.
Oh, and that slide whistle is so fucking funny. We need to get a slide whistle and like a bell or some shit. Okay, so they get off before people get on. Okay.
Number 2, sitting in a
Inappropriately.
Oh?
Stretch out your legs or cross them and keep your
Do Japanese people know that?
luggage on your lap or above the luggage space.
Do Japanese people know that?
Or put them next to you on the seat. Number 1, talking in a loud voice. Basically, try to stay as quiet as possible on trains. Keep
Just like a little mouse.
any unneeded conversations.
Unneeded conversation.
Talking on phones on trains is considered to be bad manners, and a train staff or even a passenger might ask
Oh.
you to stop. Train taboos.
Or they might grab you by the collar and drag you. Okay, these are
Okay,
it's
okay.
all reasonable.
All right. Oh.
Now here's old Arankar George. Ooh. Oh.
Mm.
Don't do this on a Japanese train. Number 1, don't enter before people get off the train.
Okay, Shogo already told us that.
The people on the train get off first. Number 2, don't wear a backpack when it's crowded.
Okay.
It's the same clip art.
During rush hour. So hold your bag in your hand or hold it in front of you like this. Number 3, don't take up extra space. For
Oh.
example, placing your bags on seats and man spreading. Everyone wants to get a seat, so don't do that. Number 4, don't talk on cell phones. Speaking loudly or
I sense a lawsuit here.
Yeah.
Number 5, don't eat or drink. You should
Oh,
not
that's a
eat
new
food or
one.
Drink with strong smells on the train.
Strong smells. My perfume onigiri. Ah.
Smell of food offends people.
Offends
But
people.
there is always the possibility of spilling drinks or food. Number 6,
Oh.
don't grope. If you do that, you'll be like this.
A video has captured
This fat man is running pretty fast.
He got a nice stride.
bystander's foot. A
He trips over a bystander's foot. No, somebody tripped him.
underage girl.
Oh.
Don't do this on a Japanese train.
Okay. Now we know the rules. I like that man. That fat man had some hustle though. He was fucking booking it. He couldn't I guess he could outrun some underage girls. All right. Did you learn anything from those videos?
Very education. Yes, I've been eating and drinking with trains this whole time.
I've just been legs wide open, cock out.
No, I never zip my fly up, and I don't wear underwear either. So I just let it all hang. So yeah, go next round. Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, I do like it. That just shows you all these guys just copy and paste what everyone else has said.
It's the same exact clip art and everything. You dick.
Don't talk loudly. Is that what they said? Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, can I get in? Talk. Hanasu. Hanasu.
All right, get it.
Hanasu.
What's going on? Do we not have the money? Get in there first.
Had to turn the volume up. You know I like it loud.
That's not true.
Hiko? What? I clicked it. Ii desu yo. Ikimashou? Ah, takushi. Your own stomach? Wait. Own?
He should say we have to pay. For
Yeah.
some reason.
Wait, mochi awase ga.
Okay.
Wasuri mono desu. Chotto matte ite moraimasu ka? Wait, he's saying he forgot something?
No, we're fine. Get back. Get in the cab.
Okay. Oh, maybe we don't have. Oh shit!
What?
We don't have any money. 240.
Oh shit! Damn.
That was cruel. The one time.
He can't flip the bill.
You can't flip the bird.
Go hassle. If we're a cop, we should be able to just shake down people for fun. Hey, what you got? What you got?
Or fucking make him drive for free. Can we get money from this cop?
I need $5. Did you not get your Oban?
Otoshi Dama.
Oh, look at this guy.
Yeah.
That wasn't the one I was looking at, but he'll suffice.
I heard you were talking loud on the train. I'm gonna teach you some manners.
No, I had to.
My wife, she's very sick. And I'm waiting for her to die so I can collect. Oh, he got a knife too.
Ooh, who do you think he is? Brandon? Got a big knife. Oh. A big knife.
Give me that shit.
Yeah!
Take that. No! You know I'm more of a... Oh, shit. You're gonna hit a cop like that?
I've just been planning on watching Tropic Thunder for so long now. I gotta watch that movie again. You went full you went full English teacher, Chris. Never go full English teacher.
A, B, C.
Looks like you're going full English teacher. Not going full English teacher. You went full English teacher.
What was he talking about? Forrest Gump? He's like, a little slow, but ping pong champion. Not full retard.
What was the other ones?
Oh, I don't remember. I think that was the last one.
Did this? He didn't give us no money? Wait, pause it. That
What
bitch.
the hell? How about this fucker?
Or, I mean, what did he give us? Can we sell at the pawn shop?
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh wait, we should really remember where the taxi. Or
Oh, yeah, it's Blake.
oh, okay. Item.
What we got?
We got the shocker.
Garbage.
Silver plate.
Is that
A
fake
plastic.
one?
Oh wait. Purachinum. Platinum plate.
Oh, maybe we can sell that.
That was my greatest accomplishment. Oh, the pawn shop's here.
The guy was like, "These are fake." Oh, here's the information anyway. Is that George Washington?
Richie Sona Toko.
I cannot tell a lie. I'm gonna fuck you up. Just that?
Okay, that took a
Oh,
while.
she has a lot of health. Why is he so strong?
Because he looks rich.
Oh, it does say that. Oh, damn!
Oh. You're gonna need some wooden teeth, George! Actually, I think he didn't have wooden teeth. I think he had slave teeth. I think I saw that somewhere. They're like common misconceptions. I think he had dead slave, or possibly live slave teeth.
His chompers look quite strong. Yes, he bites cheetahs back home with these chompers. Yes, I need those chompers.
Yeah!
He comes home. Hey, baby, notice anything? He got that Negro teeth.
And a slave girl's pubic hair merkin.
He very good. If he doesn't give us money,
He looks rich. No.
is it because we're cops that we can't give money?
Oh, but he.
What did he give you? Let's see.
I don't know.
I'm not sure. All right, go to your pawn shop. Go. You know how to find it. You're good at finding it.
It's around here somewhere.
Somewhere. Yeah, we are close.
Oh wait, no, I think. I smell pottery.
Pottery.
Mm. Would you ever work at was it Pottery Barn?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know.
Is that a bar?
No way. Isn't there? I don't know. There's some shops that sell yarn and shit.
You're not gonna pick that up?
Pick what? I'm talking about pottery. Oh, damn.
I just heard it.
I missed the key. I'm
Great.
sorry. But I think it'd be fun to work at one of those sewing or knitting shops and be like, I don't know anything about this.
Can I thread the needle with this? I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Yes. It's threadable.
What's the thread count on this?
At least 8. Oh, that's good. Who the fuck are you? Wait. Komari, he's a confused looking man. Now he's an angry man. Oh wait, no, there's 2 people. Yeah.
Stay out of it, Chris. Stay out of it, Chris. It's not our problem.
Mm-hmm.
Say no. Say no.
Damn it. Oh wait, no, I had Mindo. What are you, kiddo? I want to do it. There we go.
Oh, see?
Here's my pawn shop.
You're the master pawn.
I'm selling Korean fingers and toes.
I found these in my
wait.
father-in-law's safe. She said he used to be my great grandfather-in-law's safe. Just a bunch of skulls and Korean fingers. And
Korean fingers. We will be selling
research data from Unit 731. We didn't have this! Oh, we can sell trash. Sweet.
Oh, but for free. So why do we have all this trash?
Damn it. Oh, the watch is enough, though.
We're selling the trash too.
It's for the homeless people, Chris.
Oh, do we need that?
Damn, the platinum paint is $1,000! No, we don't need the trash.
Okay. But I want the plate. I need the plate.
Sell that fucking plate. And we don't have much, so it's okay to sell the plate. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think it's okay if we sell the plate.
Here you go.
Wait, that's not $1,000. That's
That's
15,000. So many zeros.
Anything else? Uri Nikita.
I guess the watch. We don't need the watch no more.
Brandon, I look sharp in it. It's Asian.
Oh, it is.
Okay.
Oh, I need to get some ice. Go back to the taxi.
Oh. Okay. Do we need any health, you think?
We're okay from that.
They were not okay. Wait, I just saw that. I thought there was a bottle of wine on the table.
Oh.
I was like, did he just take my Jameson off the shelf?
Nah, I wouldn't buy some.
At the donkey?
Yamaya.
Yamaya.
Because, what, do we eat this chocolate?
Yeah, dude, it was melted, so I put it in the refrigerator.
Ah, that makes sense.
Japanese summers. Hot.
Well, it's the same price as Yamaya as at Donkey, so I'm just like,
Is Yamaya closer?
nah, but you know.
Yeah, something like shake it up.
And I got these. I was going through the Shoten guy, and they had some. I was like, I need some. I want a watermelon. And they had a nice juicy looking watermelon. I was like, first it was like only one left. I was like, move, move. And I grabbed the one. I grabbed the watermelon.
Yeah.
Wait, where's the police station at?
I don't know. Probably this top one. Remember last time?
That's the docks. That's the docks.
Oh. You didn't write this down?
Wait, go talk to the old guy again real quick. See what happens. Ja.
Honcho ni mukau ka. Honcho.
It's headquarters.
Honcho e mukau.
Yes.
I don't know when I'm supposed to use ni and when I'm supposed to use e. I almost never use e.
Nihongo Mizukashi desu ne.
Huh? So I had to talk to him so he could tell the taxi cab to open up.
Take the money from the young lad, please. Japanese manners, Chris. Okay, what was I saying? So I was like, move! Move! So I got the last watermelon. Like, mine.
He's like, we got so much in the back too.
So I was standing in line, and they had like a little fridge with like 2 other watermelon in there. I was like, that actually looks better. So I put my leg out, like, this is my spot! I just want to exchange the watermelon. So I exchanged the watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
And they had like a little lemon there. I was like, you know what? Let me just see what happens. So I got the lemon. Nah, it's like, that's a good ass smell of lemon. And I was like, oh, we're gonna do the lemon challenge. I'm like, Chris, suck on the lemon. We're gonna make squinty faces. It'll be funny.
Are we really gonna do that?
Yeah, maybe later.
We're gonna do the cupcake challenge.
What's the cupcake challenge?
Eat enough cupcakes till you puke.
Yeah. Yeah, just start looking around.
Oh.
Bullshit.
See, they melted. Fucking
Oh.
Japanese.
Oh,
I don't know if it's even edible now.
my hand's all sticky.
And I didn't see an expiration date on the thing. So.
All sticky. It's somewhere. Go find it.
No, are you kidding me? Do I just talk to the old man?
No, you keep looking
I really
around.
gotta look around for this shit. There's not a certain order we gotta look at books.
Order of Phoenix, baby.
Oh. Joaquin Phoenix.
What's your favorite Harry Potter movie?
I haven't seen any of them.
Bastard.
The one with the owls. Wait, they did get pet owls, right?
That's the beginning of the movie. Huh?
Oh, okay. I don't know.
They all have a designated owl.
That'd be funny if Harry's was like a penguin. Everyone gets an owl. He's like, what the hell am I supposed to do with it? Or a pigeon.
No, I like Big one better.
Oh.
Besides pooping, did you get into any other craziness on your obong?
No, just angry at Japanese people.
Chris.
Almost everything. And I told he's not my boss, but I think he thinks he is. The Japanese guy I work with. I was like, yeah, for the past couple of days I've been a little sick. He's like, oh, I've been like I've been having a lot of diarrhea, so I might have to go to the bathroom. He's like, I'm like, you people can't deal with any level of humanity, can you? And he's like,
my grandmother died. Alright, now I'll go get some help.
Oh, at any one of our fine establishments. Wait, where's the? It's the. We gotta go to the. What's it called?
A pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Hopefully, Kitomi's working. We can get it for free.
Ooh.
Do you know where you're going?
No.
Wait, Paul. Let me see. Let me see the map. Go to that little yellow one. You go through there, and you see that little one, yellow one.
Mm-hmm. The square
Yeah.
by the arrow.
Yeah.
Oh, up top in the corner of the corner of the square.
Where are you looking at?
Direct ahead. There's a blue arrow that's pointing up.
Okay.
Go
okay.
up to the yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, dude. So I was drunk. Oh, wait, no.
No, you're good. You go straight. You're just
Confused.
You're just facing funny.
Oh, my face is funny. Ah, here we go. Those kanji I can't even read. And the one they write in sin in hiragana, it's really fucking complicated. So I know why they write that one in hiragana.
Oh.
But
You want to say
So-
something?
I was drawing L's on the board today
Oh.
for the first year students. And one of my L looked like a check.
Oh!
And the girl's like, that looks like a check. And I was like, oh, does it now? I'm like, check, big check, circle.
Oh!
It's Checkman. And one girl was like, ah, Checkman. I was like, yes. And all three other girls were like, not impressed.
No!
And I was like, nah, look, it's Checkman. And one girl was, Checkman, eat an eye. I was like, ah! So I'm erasing Checkman. I'm like, really? You don't need Checkman? She's like, we don't need Checkman. I'm like, what the hell is wrong with you?
Let's get the expensive one.
Oh, I was gonna buy more gauntlets. Bandages?
We got the money. Might as well. We can blow the money.
No. Okay, $100. Can I just buy 10?
Go ahead.
Okay.
No, what happened?
Did I buy them?
No.
Oh, sorry. I always never. Wait, yeah, no, not. We go down. Wait, what did it? Oh, cow. What? I'm so. Hold on, let me do it again. I don't know. 10.
Yeah.
Chumon. Height.
Alright.
Oh, that was a lot of money.
It's okay. We got this fucker for a little bit longer.
Oh,
And we're
really?
going back to Kiryu, baby!
Yay! He's got one of the orphans on a leash. Come on, little gimp bitch.
I saw a mom walking her little kid and it had a leash. It's always so funny, but now go like, that does look so practical. It seems
I
so
know.
helpful though. You're just like,
You want him to not run away.
and he was a little bastard. Like go to the boat. She's like, all right, come on. It's like, all right. You see all these arrows?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck them. They're just
Ha!
side missions.
Ha!
Go to that little Asian spot again.
That little Asian spot.
You know when we go in the corner and we go to the restaurant.
Wait, that thing right there?
Is that it? Change the map. You got it all close up and shit.
I don't know. I get nervous. Asian spot?
Yeah, you should be able to squeeze in there.
Squeeze? In here?
No. Go up to a different. Goes up to that other circle and maybe you can squeeze in there.
Squeeze into that Asian spot?
Yeah, keep going.
Alright, okay.
Look, a little alley on the left hand side. You see a little alley?
No.
Nah.
Wait, does that say Papa Meat? Big Fat Papa?
Oh, big fat papa! Let's open the bar.
Big Fat Papa?
Wait. Damn it! Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Antasa.
Can this be like Pokemon where you can choose to run away?
I don't know if the lemon does anything.
I'm not much of a lemon guy. I remember as a kid, I probably told this before. My dad would always order water at restaurants, and he's like, and bring out some lemons and limes too. He's like, it tastes just like Sprite. I'm like, no, it doesn't.
What's right?
I'm like, no, it doesn't, Dad. He's like, can't taste the difference.
Was he getting tonic water?
No, he was just getting tap water.
Tap water. All right. Lime. Well, maybe this one's not too limey. No, it's definitely limey, Chris. It's not limey. It's lemony.
Lemony. Zesty.
You ever make homemade lemonade?
Yeah, and we tried selling it.
Oh. And then brother was like, I actually peed in lemonade.
Oh.
You're like, why would you do that?
I love peeing.